Okay, so it's quite, I mean, it's really nice for a video to add some text reveal when you're editing your video. This effect, this text effect, this text reveal text, it's quite awesome. Excuse me, I actually struggle a little bit when I start learning Adobe Premiere, so no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you the process, the entire process. So what you have to do, actually, let's see, grab this video. Just grab your video that you would like to add, text reveal, and I have this video I would like to add to this video. You can resize and change. If you can't find projects, just go to window, and here you should be able to find project, okay? And click, and you can enable this, and you can go exactly to the project that you're you started created. And now here we can actually click on T or on a type tool. And now I'm gonna add this text here. I'm just gonna write text. And now I can click on the selection tool, and it's really important. And the shortcut is V, but it's very important to actually learn the shortcut because it can save you a lot of time. Excuse me, if you want to add a lot of, you add a lot of text and you use this shortcut a lot, this feature, this option, you need to learn the shortcut V and T for the text. And now if you can't see this essential graphics, make sure you are in effects workspace, and then here you can click on this icon workspaces and just enable effects. And then here we also have edit, but also effects. These are like different workspaces. And here in this effects panel, you should have this essential graphics. And you can also go here in essential graphics in this option here, and in this window here, and you can find essential graphics here as well. So if you by mistake you close this, you can go to essential graphics and re-enable this. Now you can you add a text that you want to use. I'm gonna use this one, but as I said, just select your text, and here you should be able to find all the options you need to change the text, to change the opacity. But overall, it's just like move left and right, and that's what you can do here. But yeah, if you close this, we can simply go here in and re-add this. And now what can I do? Well, now to create this reveal text, we have to work with a rectangle tool. Now there are other methods out there, but I like this method. It's simple. And now click on mask with shape. Here in appearance, when you select text, you have the shape what we created, and the text, the properties for this text that is within essential graphics. Here you have a bunch of options. Also have browse. But anyways, here you can find a lot of options, and we just select the shape and mark mask with shape. All right, and now we have to go in effect control, and here we created this shape. We created the shape. Now just expand this, and here you should see position. And basically this is now hiding because it's masked with shape, which this will actually mask mask the text. You can also click on here on invert. You can create different effects. Now if you want, depends on how you want this reveal text, but probably from bottom to the top, or up, starting from the bottom to the top, something like that maybe. And I'm gonna select like this, totally fine. And now I just have to add a keyframe for position. And I'll just move a couple of frames and I'll just move this up. And it was added a keyframe automatically because actually we changed the position control, actually just plus, so we can actually zoom in here where we have our keyframes. Here we can see our keyframes, and now we should have a reveal text. But it doesn't look that professional. We can add some ease in. And in order to do that, what you have to do is to select both of the keyframes. You have to right click, and here you have temporal interpolation, and just add some ease in. You can also add ease out if that's what you want. You can also add ease out. And now we have ease in and ease out. And now another way to create this reveal is actually, instead of going to the shape graphics, is actually go to text. And here we have the best same options here. But now if you go to text down like this, is actually hiding the text. So because we have this, what's inside this shape we created is actually shown the thing, but outside is not shown. Okay, but what's inside it is shown. So this now it is shown. So what we have to do now, let's actually grab this like this and drag. Now text is hidden, and now we can have to add a keyframe here and move a couple of frames, and now I'll actually show this text. So it was like this, now it's like this. So that's actually a better text reveal, but I just want to show that you actually can animate this shape as well. And now we have this effect, and we can add a, now right click, temporary interpolation, and ease in. So now this looks more professional. And of course, you can also expand this position. And here we have the graphics, the actually graph. So with this graph, what we can do is actually highlight and then just change the graph. So if you want this to be slower or faster, you grab this, drag this down, and you actually move this up. So now is slower and then fast. Now you can also change this to maybe slow and then it's fast. Text is showed fast and then it's quite going slow. Now you can also highlight this keyframe, and if you want to strengthen this or to shrink this, to just grab this and move it closer to the first frame, and now it's much faster. This text reveal. And if you want this slower, you can drag this all the way to maybe a few seconds, even a minute. But I guess you don't want that slow because it's very, very slow. And of course, now we can play with this with the keyframes here with the graph. Maybe like this. Oops. To be honest, I don't know what I'm trying to achieve here. But anyways, just experiment, just try using this, and it's really nice and it's easy to create this effect. I really hope you found this helpful. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll create a tutorial for you. And the questions related to Adobe Premiere. If you have a question, let me know in the comment section or create a story for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take